Guys, update tayo ng Colinas Verdes. So, August 2026, most recent update for Colinas Verdes, San Jose del Monte, Bulacan. Pero, kumustahin ko lang kayo. Sana hindi kayo masyadong naapektuhan ng tuloy-tuloy na bagyo. 'Di ba? Itong San Jose del Monte, guys, well, thank God naman ever since very safe tayo sa flood kahit during ondoy nga dati, 'di ba? Kasi mataas po ang San Jose del Monte. Ang Colinas Verdes ay ang bungad ng San Jose del Monte. So you see Jollibee and Burger King here. So in front of that is Colinas Verdes. So we will just turn left here kasi galing kami ng bandang SM. So that's already going to SM Fairview, di ba? When you drive straight. So here we're gonna turn left to enter the gate of Colinas Verdes, okay? So, walang bakas po o senyales na ito ay binaha or binagyo or nag-submerged sa flood. So, we are 100% a flood-free community. 'Di ba? Santa Lucia po ang developer natin dito. At itong Colinas Verdes, guys, ayan po yung magiging entrance natin dito. Meron po tayong guard rito, 24/7 security. Pinakamalaking project sa buong norte kasi nasa 300 hectare to, ha, for your information. Ang napakalaki nun, kahit ako di ko pa nalilibot sa sobrang laki. O ayan, guys, kausapin ko lang muna sa guard kasi dito strictly no walk-ins. Kailangan scheduled viewing with me. Bawal ditong pumasok or mag-walk-in basta-basta. So dito, dalawa yung entrada, napakalaki na entrada dito, yung mga papasok at yung mga palabas. Ayan. So you can see, guys, that it has a different ambience, 'di ba? Puro puno, very nature friendly po ang Colinas Verdes by Santa Lucia. Ganito kaganda ang kanyang community. We're just gonna go straight to the clubhouse to show you. And if you want to know yung current availability, we still have limited 150 square meter. Yun kasi yung minimum lot na pwede mong ma-avail kay Santa Lucia dito sa Colinas Verdes. So pag 150 square meter lot, pwedeng-pwede na, no? Hindi naman dito kailangan ikaw ay maging just go straight. You don't need to be a contractor here para maka-avail na sobrang yaman mo. Kasi magkano lang naman yung 150 square meter lot nila dito, wala pang 4 million. Tapos magkano budget mo sa pagpapatay ng bahay mo, o, di ba? So less than 10 million pwede ka nang magkaroon dito house and lot, and then yung budget mo sa pag-construct ng mismong bahay, tama ba? So kayang-kaya siya, unless of course ang gusto mo mas malaking lote, yung tipong 300, 500, 1,000 square meter. Syempre iba din ang price nun. May mga tigka 10 million tayo dito, 15 or 20 million na lupa, depende sa kung ano yung target mo na size, okay? So ito, guys, ang Colinas Verdes, para siyang biyaheng langit kasi pataas ng pataas. Bundok po ito, literal, ha. Baka hindi ito yung tipong flatland lang na rolling terrain. Ayan, no, grabe yung view dito, guys. Oh, Tagaytay ba yan? Batangas ba yan? Nasa San Jose del Monte lang po tayo. So 150 square meter lot showing on the screen, sample computation. Ayan, very affordable. You don't need your proof of income kasi nga siya in-house financing, hindi kailangan ng bank financing dito. Yun yung napakaganda sa Colinas. Pero syempre kailangan mo pa rin ng other requirements like yung birth marriage certificate, ID, STIN number, mga proof of billing. Kailangan yun syempre, di ba, guys? Ayan po siya, Colinas Verdes, kung minimum lot lang. But if you like a bigger lot, sige, tignan natin kung ano yung ating available na bigger lots at magbigay tayo ng updated sample computation, guys. Ayan po siya. So always refer to the updated sample computation kasi baka mamay napapanood yung mga old videos na, di ba? Kaya ngayon, tignan nyo tong video ko dahil ito ay August 2026 most recent update. That's our clubhouse already. So we're gonna turn left and park in there. Tayo ay merong 6 na turn right, rather. We're gonna turn right and park here sa ating clubhouse. And did you know, guys, we have like complete amenities here, like 6 types of swimming pools, diba? May malalaking basketball court, tennis court, badminton court, ganyan. Everything you need, guys, is here in Colinas Verdes. Kitang-kita nyo naman, kahit bagyo ang Pilipinas, ay wala pong history ng flood ang ating Colinas Verdes in San Jose del Monte, Bulacan. So again, strictly no walk-ins. All you need to do is to contact me. I'm your broker in the Philippines. My name is Nicole. Contact my Viber WhatsApp number for online reservation process, or if you want to schedule a tripping at least 1 to 2 days before, again, just contact my Viber WhatsApp. That's also my iMessage. But if you're using Messenger or Facebook, that's my Messenger. It's a verified account. May blue check yan. Pwede nyo akong kontakin dyan. Sure kayo na ako yung makakausap nyo dyan, guys. Okay? So you just really have to reach out to me for anything else. And thank you for joining me today, guys. Keep safe and don't forget to hit like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you for watching.